back to my channel. It's me again, Marnelli, and if you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. So today guys, I am doing a Victoria's Secret Pink and Honest Company unboxing because I received all these packages at the same day, and as far as my shopping online experience, it was amazing, you guys, because even if when you shop online, they will remind you that your orders will be delayed because of this crisis that we're facing, but turned out I received all these packages in a timely manner, so it was really great shopping experience online. So I am doing a collaboration with these two amazing YouTubers. First one is Julia Almandarez, and she's doing mommy vlogs, beauty, lifestyle, and also some type of cleaning. Second one is Alvarado's for Life, and her name is Veronda Alvarado, and she's also doing mommy vlogs, lifestyle, beauty, and also cleaning. They have such an amazing contents on their channel, and I love watching their videos, you guys, so you should check it out as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start, but I'm still debating, you guys, which one I go first, Honest Company or Victoria's Secret Pink. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening Honest Company first, then Victoria's Secret Pink. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start now. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, feel free to comment below. And please subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and start opening Honest Company. First of all, you guys, I used to buy diapers from Honest Company when Gael was, I believe, when he was 3 months old, I think, because not only they have really good material with their diapers. I mean, I had so much, great reviews about their diapers, and also I love their cute designs for their diapers. But the thing is, they have really high-end, price when it comes to their diapers, so it's not really that cheap. So yeah, so that's why I don't really buy diapers from Honest Company more often, since they have a lot of wipes available on their website, because anywhere you go you can't find any wipes. So I'm trying to stack a lot of wipes, especially for the kids, for Gael. So yeah, so that's why I got some stuff, other stuff aside from buying some wipes. First one I got was this whole package of wipes, and I got this one. It comes with 8 resealable packs. So the way it looks like inside, so these are the wipes that I got from Honest Company. So this is how it looks like. So it comes with 8 packets, I think. Wait, hold on. It says 8. So 2, 4. Oh yeah, it comes with 8 packets. So I thought it was more than that. So yeah, it comes with 8 packets of wipes, but this one comes with whole 576 wipes, you guys. So 576 wipes. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. I love this design, you guys. Really cute. So this is what I like about Honest Company. They have some cute designs when it comes to their wipes and diapers. So yeah, this is what I got so far. And then let me just move this here. And then this package right here, this is what I got. I'm gonna open the next package I got from Honest Company, you guys. There's this package right here. So I got 2 different designs of diapers, and Gael is wearing size 6 diaper. So I got this first. This is the T-Rex design, you guys. I love their designs when it comes to their diapers, but like I said, they have a high-end prices for their diapers. That's why I don't really get diapers from Honest Company that much, but I got some wipes already. That's why I'm trying to save the shipment. So, but this is how it looks like, you guys. This is really cute print. See? So this is what I got for Gael. So this is size 6, and this is the T-Rex. And then the next design, this is the where did I see that name? Hold on, you guys. Oh, Speedy Babe. So this is the Speedy Babe design, and this is how it looks like. Let me just, this is really hard to remove. Okay, so this is how the design looks like. So they're basically cars prints. So this is really cute, you guys. So I got these two designs for Gael's diaper. And this this package right here comes with 18 diapers. So, and I think this one is $10.99. The price is $10.99. So it comes with like really high-end price, you guys, because I always get Gael's diaper from Pampers. He also used Pampers, and I usually get the I think 94 diapers for $24, you guys. So it's still, yeah, the Honest Company diaper is still on the high-end price. So yeah, that's why I don't get more often, but I love their prints, you guys. So yeah, so this is what I got for Gael. And I also got some stuff for myself. So I got this this lip powder blush, because Honest Company also have some cosmetic stuff, so I kind of like, you know, came across with their cosmetics stuff. So I got this one, and this is the Frisky shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. Okay, I was able to open it, and this is the shade. Yeah, so pretty. So that's the shade for this blush, and this is the Frisky right there, Frisky, and this is the shade, you guys. And then I got a liquid lipstick as well, and this one, I think this one is $12.99, you guys, on their website. So this is $12.99, and their liquid lipstick, I think it was $14.99, you guys. And I got the shade Fearless. So this is Fearless. I saw the shade on their website with this lipstick, with this shade, and it was really pretty. So hopefully it will look good on my lips as well, because sometimes pictures can be tricky, you guys. So, but I like the shade though. I'm longing to have this type of shade, but so yeah. Oh, it's very cute, you guys. So this is the shade for this lip gloss, liquid lipstick. So pretty, you guys. Yeah, this is what I got from Honest Company, you guys. I got some cosmetics for myself, some wipes right here, and then also some diapers for Gael. So that's what I got from Honest Company. So we're gonna move on to Victoria's Secret Pink. Okay, so this is the package I got from Victoria's Secret Pink, and I just got some few stuff, you guys. So it's not really like extravagant that I got. So the first, I pretty much got some body wash, you guys. So kind of like, you know, revealing that, but I pretty much got some body wash. So the first one I got, so this is what I got basically, and then they gave you like, I thought it's a coupon, you guys, but it's just like a card, a thank you card. So the first one I got was I already know what I got, but just want to share with you guys. So the first one I got was this berry scrub. This is the first one I got from Victoria's Secret Pink, and this is with pomegranate extract, and this is scrubby smoothie wash. So it's a body wash, you guys. So yeah, so this is the first one I got from Victoria's Secret. And then the next one will be, I also got this body wash, and this is the honey wash. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen this on the website and also in the store, but right now all the stores are closed. So this is what I got also from Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink. And so yeah, this is a nourishing gel body wash, you guys. So, and it comes with shea butter. So yeah, I got this one as well. And then next one, and this is really hard to open. really excited to open everything. Okay, so next one is the pineapple wash. This is what I really wanted to try on. I'm so excited when they have this one because I really love the smell of pineapple, you guys. So that's why I was really excited to get this one. So this is the pineapple wash. It's also a scrubby gel body wash, and it comes with pineapple extract, of course. So yeah, so this is what I got, the third one. Yeah, so yeah, okay, so that's what I got. And I think when I bought all these three, it's 3 for $25. So it's on sale, you guys, when I got this this 3 body wash. So it's 3 for $25, but if you get one, like individual one, I think it was $7.50 for each. So yeah, it's a cheaper offer when I got this one, when I got this body wash. And then next one that I got, oh, they gave you a free sample. It's a coconut oil. Oh, it's a hydrating body lotion. So they gave you a sample. So I got a sample from them. So it's a hydrating body lotion. Yeah, so I got some free stuff. Oh, and they gave you a coupon. I thought they didn't give you a coupon. So I got a coupon for 20% off a $50 purchase on your next purchase. So it's from April 23rd to May 3rd. You purchase $50 and you get it 20% off. So yeah, I got a coupon, you guys. Coupon is always a good thing. So yeah. So last one, I got a pajama set, and this one original price. I pretty much, when I purchased all this stuff from Pink, they're all on sale, you guys. So I got this pajama set, and this is a pajama shorts. And the original price for this one, it was, I think, $49.50, if I'm not mistaken. $49.50 or $59.50, I'm not really sure. But I will comment that below, you guys. So this is what I got. So this is how it looks like, and let me just open that for you guys. But this is how it looks like. You guys see it? Yeah, let me just show it to you guys. Oh, it has price over here. Hold on, let me see. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't have a price, but I'll comment down below the price for this, the original price. Man, this is really hard. Hey guys, I was able to detach everything. So this is how it looks like. This is the shirt. And I got the medium size because I don't really like tight clothes, you guys, when it comes to pajamas, especially for pajamas. So I got a medium size, but it's not that big size, so it's perfect. So I got a medium size for this pajama, and then it comes with the shorts. So this is how it looks like. I was really happy because I thought it was a satin material, but turned out it was a cotton material, you guys. So I love the material because it's perfect for summer. It's not that, because satin material is more like warm feeling, but this one is perfect for summer. So yeah. So this is the pajama, and this is the shorts. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you like this video, you guys. Let me know what you think about the products that I purchased from Victoria's Secret Pink and also Honest Company. And thank you for watching, you guys. If you have any comments, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.